So I want to talk about a few of the functionality additions that we've made in version 41, specifically related to extensibility. A lot of other work has gone on under the hood that I won't talk too much about today, and we'll be seeing even more coming soon. But the first of those, Mike already mentioned, is the ability to support new extension points within DHIS2 where you can plug in functionality to the core DHIS2 applications or features. So we talked about plugins being added to the capture application. This means that previously, if you wanted to add that growth chart to the capture application, you would need to fork the capture application, basically build your own version of the whole thing just to add that one chart to the enrollment dashboard, for example. And we saw this quite a bit during COVID-19 when people would fork the capture or the tracker capture application to add a single button to generate a certificate, or would want to add a small bit of functionality somewhere. They then need to fork or copy the code for the capture app or the tracker capture app. And it requires a lot of work, it requires a lot of maintenance, and it's very hard then to keep up to date with the updates that are coming from the core team. So we are adding extension points in different places within DHIS2. We've had this for a long time with applications, and we've had this for a long time with plugins on the dashboard. But we're adding it now to more places where you can build just a small piece of functionality and then plug that into the places where it makes sense. So that's what we've added to the capture application in two different locations for data entry in event capture, as well as in the enrollment dashboard, which is the growth chart plugin that Mike demonstrated earlier.